Hello everyone and welcome back to your favorite channel, English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to read and talk about a very important topic: how to stop overthinking. We'll learn new vocabulary, simple sentence structures, and how to express ideas clearly in English. This will help you improve your fluency step by step.
Yes, friends, overthinking is something we all do, but it can be very harmful. Today, we will read a simple graded reader on this topic. We will explain each paragraph and sentence so you can understand and speak English more naturally.
Let's begin. Title: How to Stop Overthinking. Overthinking means thinking too much about something. Sometimes it is good to think carefully before we make a decision, but if we think too much, we can feel confused and tired.
That's right. Overthinking can make us worry about things that have not even happened. It can stop us from sleeping, working, or enjoying life. Now, let's go to the first part of the reading.
Part 1. Understand the problem. First, we must understand that overthinking is not helpful. When we think too much, we often go in circles. We ask ourselves the same questions again and again. What if I fail? What if something bad happens? These questions don't give answers. They only increase stress.
In this paragraph, the vocabulary is simple but useful. Go in circles means we don't find a solution, we just repeat our thoughts. Increase stress means our tension becomes higher. So remember, overthinking increases stress and keeps us stuck.
Part 2. Be aware of your thoughts. The next step is to notice when we are overthinking. Pay attention to your mind. Ask yourself, am I thinking too much? If the answer is yes, take a deep breath and say, stop. Remind yourself that thinking more is not always the solution.
This paragraph teaches us to be aware, which means to notice. It's a very useful word. Also, the expression, take a deep breath, is often used when someone is stressed. It helps us calm down. Saying stop to your thoughts is like pressing a pause button in your mind.
Part 3. Write down your thoughts. Writing can help us a lot. If you write your thoughts on paper, they don't stay in your head. You can see them clearly. Then you can decide what is important and what is not. This makes your thinking more organized.
Very good advice. Writing is not only good for organizing your ideas, but also for improving your English. Try to write in English. Use simple sentences. For example, I am worried about my job interview. I think I will fail, but I have prepared well. This way, you learn to express your feelings in English too.
Part 4. Take action. Thinking is good only if it leads to action. If you have a problem, ask, what can I do about it? Then do something small. Even one step can help. For example, if you are worried about your health, go for a walk. Do not wait for the perfect time. Start now.
This paragraph uses very helpful sentences for fluency. Take action means do something. One step means one small effort. Do not wait for the perfect time means start with what you have. These are motivational sentences. You can also practice speaking by saying them aloud.
Part 5. Live in the present. Overthinking often happens when we worry about the past or the future. But life is happening now. Look around you. What can you see, hear, and feel? Try to enjoy the moment. Smile. Talk to someone. Do something fun.
That's a beautiful message. Live in the present means focus on now, not the past or future. This also helps your English fluency. If you describe what is happening around you, you learn to speak naturally. Say, I see a bird. I hear music. I feel happy. These are simple but powerful sentences.
Now let's revise the key points with easy English. Overthinking means thinking too much. It makes us feel tired and confused. We should notice when we are overthinking. Writing our thoughts can help. We should take small actions. We should live in the present moment.
And along with this, we learned many useful English phrases. For example, take a deep breath. Be aware of your thoughts. Go in circles. Take action. Live in the present. These phrases help you understand and speak English in real life.
Let's now have a small conversation using today's vocabulary. Ikra. I was thinking about my exam results all night. I could not sleep. Altaf. Oh, that's overthinking. Did you try writing your thoughts down? Ikra. No, I just kept thinking, what if I fail? Again and again. Altaf. Next time, be aware of your thoughts. Take a deep breath and say, stop. Ikra. Yes, and maybe I can write what I feel. That will help. Altaf. Exactly. And take action too. If you are worried, prepare more for the next test. Ikra. Thank you. I will also try to live in the present and enjoy today.
Well done. This kind of practice is very important for fluency. You don't need difficult words. You need clear, simple sentences that you can use in your real life.
Yes, fluency means speaking with confidence. And for that, graded readers like today's topic are very useful. They help you learn naturally and slowly without stress.
So, dear viewers, now it's your turn. Try to write 5 sentences about what you overthink. Then write what action you can take. Use the vocabulary we taught you today.
And don't forget to read aloud. Practice speaking with your friends or family. The more you speak, the better you get. Step by step, your English will improve.
Let's quickly go over what we learned today. The meaning of overthinking, why it is harmful, how to stop overthinking using easy methods, and how to talk about this topic in English. We practiced a small conversation. We learned useful vocabulary and expressions.
Yes, and all this was done in an easy way so that you can improve your English fluency without pressure. That's the goal of our channel. English with Altaf.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you in the next video with another helpful English lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and don't forget, English is easy with Altaf.